Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit just the background in the Lightroom app. It is a very simple and easy process, so let's get started. First of all, find the Lightroom app on your home screen. Now open it. Then choose one photo that you want to edit. Now here you can find this option at the bottom of the screen. Now tap on it. Then here you can find the option of background. Simply go ahead and select it. Now the app is detecting the background. Now like this you can edit the background. Turn the slider left or right of the given options. You can edit the background just like this. After editing the background, simply tap onto the check mark. And that's it. This is how you can just edit the background of your photo in the Lightroom app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.